Stolzberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny, who is about to make my favorite thing in the world.
Sausage chestnut stuffing. We want to get our pan nice and hot. This is crumbled sausage. You want to like get it in the pan and kind of spread it out. We're going to build this whole thing right here in the pan. While this is going, we got to cut some herbs, right? The quintessential Thanksgiving herbs are
Sage, thyme, and rosemary.
That's right. I'm gonna start moving it around now, okay? Look at that color.
That's it,
Look at the
right
color.
there.
Now we're gonna start building, okay? Butter makes everything
Better.
You wanna melt this butter down. Minced onion, gotta have onions and stuff.
100%.
Celery. Celery.
yes.
So we wanna sweat the vegetables out. We're gonna put some celery salt in here like this. Lily, I'm gonna ask you to hit me with the black pepper. Hit it up, Lil.
Doing it.
Look at that, look at it. Look. Chop some herbs. Chicken stock goes in, potato bread stuffing. We like potato bread over here. Put this in phases. This doesn't just go right in. And now we're gonna start slowly incorporating fresh herb, looking like stuffing right now. Kill the heat. And we're going in with all the chestnuts because we're gonna mix this one more time and we're done. And that's it, that's sausage chestnut stuffing.
There you go. So if you're looking for the perfect stuffing recipe, head to our website, news12.com, and you're going to find it there. I'm definitely making it this way. Thanks, Vin.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yes.